Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Decide on a consistent color grade, teal orange or muted film tones, and stick with it across the video. Start by analyzing Zack D film's cuts and create a 5 to 8 page shot list that maps story beats to visual ideas. Storyboard key beats, plan 6 to 12 shots per minute of final runtime to maintain Zack D pacing. Shoot at 24 FPS. Use a shutter speed near 1/50 or 1 over twice the frame rate for natural motion blur. Pick a primary lens like 35mm or 50mm and choose aperture between f/1, 8 and f/4. Use a 50mm or 35mm prime for emotional medium shots and a 16mm for wide establishing frames. Frame for negative space and lead room, placing subjects on thirds to allow for whip pans and reveal cuts. Employ camera movement, push, pull, whip pans, and 1 to 2 second speed ramps for dynamic edits that match the music tempo. Record separate wild sound and 2 to 4 minutes of room tone for clean audio beds. Use a lavalier plus a shotgun mic and monitor levels to avoid clipping. Assemble a rough cut emphasizing story, then tighten to final pace with 2 to 4 trims per cut so every shot earns its screen time. Use J and L cuts to overlap audio and create smooth transitions, cut on motion to hide jump edits. Create a contrasty color grade, lift shadows, crush black slightly, and add 10 to 20 points of saturation selectively to skin tones. Export masters at 4K 24 FPS H. 264 for web, and create a 1920x 1080 social crop at 16:9 with optimized bitrates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.